こちらはジャンストッパワータイヤブースです。それでは製品やサービスについて教えてください。
We are first time to attend this exhibition, but we believe we can get our successful result. We are official supplier for many famous construction machine company like GLG, Tyre and XMG Liu Gong. Of course, we are trying to find more potential clients in Japan, like those famous brand. So this time we have many rubber solid tire for construction machine, like area working platform lift solid tire, and also these press-on solid tire for millimeter machine. Of course, we have traditional product solid tire for forklift. We also have this run flat tire. When tire punctured, can still run in at maybe 30 to 80 km per hour speed and can run more than 100 kilometers. It's a safety tire. Okay, thank you.
ありがとうございます。それではただいまご説明いただきました製品やサービスはどんな方に使ってほしいですか？
Our target customer is those famous construction machine company and also those forklift company, maybe like AG and Toyota. Of course, many famous brands in Japan. We'll try our best to develop high technology product, high quality product, and our product have this global product quality liability insurance, $5 million for our clients. So our quality is reasonable and trustable. So we try to contact these potential clients and get a successful cooperation this time. Thank you.
ありがとうございます。それでは最後に今後力を入れていきたい製品やサービスについて教えてください。
Our company will develop many more high technology and multi-function tire product, especially safety tire for driving and run flat using. Of course, solid tire is our traditional product. We will design many size and for many machine, also different function and using site. So we will maybe next time we will still attend this exhibition and try to find more potential clients to develop our product. Thank you.
ありがとうございました。ジャンストッパワータイヤブースからお届けいたしました。